What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well, and hopefully you've checked out yesterday's video. If not, definitely go check it out because we've had some gorgeous delivery based off what I was explaining in yesterday. So yeah, we're starting here on the daily on dollar, as you can see, and we had a beautiful expansion to the upside just as anticipated, taking out Tuesday's buy side liquidity quite aggressively too, and we're starting to trade into this 4-hour fair value gap, which I've had my eyes set on. So again, if you watched yesterday's video, you'll know I drew our attention to this fair value gap, wanting us to trade into it. I may have spoke about this on Monday, to be honest, but nonetheless, we've finally started to trade into here, and we're just stopping at the 50% level currently. So moving into the new day, I am expecting us to continue into the fair value gap. I would like to think that we can fill it to an extent. So I'm happy to expect some more expansion on the buy side in the early hours of Thursday. And I'd like to see us fill the fair value gap, and then I'd want to see some kind of retracement and pullback because we've been trading higher pretty much all week. So I am expecting some kind of return to an equilibrium of some form. But oh, you can see we just opened. But nonetheless, I'm happy for us to consolidate in here a little bit, trade a little bit higher. Then I want to see us start to pull out of there. So let's go to the 1 hour, take a closer look, and you'll see again beautiful push above the buy side liquidity above Tuesday and Monday's high. And I'm expecting us to stay around in here before we get a pullback, and then I'd want ideally we get a Thursday reversal. So on the back of high impact news tomorrow, you can see we have high impact news here at 8:30. I'd like to think that we can have a pullback, and then we can start looking at that Wednesday low and potentially that Tuesday low. But nonetheless, if we look at today's price action, absolutely gorgeous. Came down, created the low during London, and then expansion from then on. Breaker here, can go long here, and then again taking out the buy side that I drew our attention to. So yeah, really nice to see, but now I'm expecting to see some kind of pullback as we move into Thursday basically. Yeah, here's a 15-minute, not the cleanest, but nonetheless there's our setup here. Bullish order block came down 7:30, and that would have been a long, and then obviously trade into the buy side. But yeah, pretty much looking for a Thursday reversal. Another thing to take note of is the fact that we are above this Sunday opening price, and we've tapped down below it a few times. So here once, twice, and then we traded above it. So if we do get a reversal and price starts to want to break down and we get a break in market structure, this Sunday opening price can be used as a level to target. So we don't always have to target lows. We can target the actual Sunday opening price, and I've done this before where, let's say we're we get a reversal just as anticipated. I'd then go short with the expectation that we're going to trade into that Sunday opening price as a target, and then I'd be looking at this low after that, and then obviously this low. So yeah, that's everything on dollar, sorry. I hope that all makes sense. Let's go to pound. Beautiful delivery on pound. You can see we rallied inside of this range which I spoke about yesterday. What's interesting to see is that we traded to the 25% level of it, and I spoke about the 25% level in many videos, guys, and if I could do a back testing video this week I would, but I am extremely busy. But my point is 25% level is way more sensitive than the 50% level. So I was saying I was happy for price to trade to the 50% level, but you can see we touched the 50% level and look at 25% level, and look at the reaction we got away from that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then from then on, prices rolled over just as I anticipated, rolled over to the downside, taking out that Monday low and running into our original sell side target here, and we're just about to hit this other sell side target. So I am expecting this low to still get taken as we move into London tomorrow through the Asia range. I do want to see price continue to deliver lower, in line with dollar trading a little bit higher inside of its fair value gap, ideally filling it or getting to that 75% level. So I hope that will make sense. Nothing too complicated. You can see that once price delivered after the high impact news at 2 a.m, you can see we got very heavily consolidated. Although we're delivering lower, we're very heavily consolidated, and this is showing a level of strength, because when we compare this to the euro, you'll see that the euro's dropped off precipitously. So you can see that this low has been taken out quite nicely by euro, whereas the same low right here, it's a different story, isn't it? We're seeing a level of strength. So based off that, we need to then look at dollar. You can see dollar's rallied a little bit, but if we get a reversal basically on the back of dollar, then GBP is going to be the pair to trade tomorrow, because we'll see significant strength in it, as in we'll see some large expansion back above that Sunday opening price, and then I'll be looking for that Tuesday high and Wednesday high, Monday high to get traded to. And you can see these highs right here. these are all relatively equal. Here, it's looking very juicy up there, so I wouldn't be surprised if we did get our Thursday reversal. That's where I'd be looking for price trade up to moving into Thursday and Friday, but I'll speak more on that tomorrow. But other than that, very interesting to see. And yeah, if we fail to take out this low, then it's likely we are going to get a reversal, and we would want to be trading pound in that situation, because it will give us the strength we need to pull back on itself and get up into the premiums. So we're going to finish up on Euro USD. Beautiful. Again, I called out this. Is it a fair value gap? Let's go. Oh, it's an inversion fair value gap. Yeah. So if you remember, if you've been watching my videos this week, you know that on Sunday I was saying I want to see this get traded to and through. Have we traded to it? Yes. Have we traded through it? We're getting there. I don't know if we're going to get to the end of it, as into the other side of it, but we're traded to it, and we definitely traded through it. So some beautiful delivery today as we hit the sell side liquidity, just as anticipated. Let's go to the 1 hour. Anything here? Yeah, just really nice overall delivery. I'm really happy with how Euro traded today on Wednesday. You can see we're kind of just consolidating a little bit. But remember, as I was saying, I'm expecting us to maybe fill the inversion fair value gap. But other than that, I'd like to think that we can get Thursday reversal. Now, it is a matter of waiting at this point. So it's like, for example, yesterday's video, I was confident we were going to take out these highs. I'm telling you now, moving into Thursday, I'm not confident that we're going to get a Thursday reversal. It all depends, because price could easily carry on rallying, and we just have large expansion moving into Friday, where we get a retracement back into like equilibrium. So that's why I'm paying close attention to the fair value gaps in which we're trading in, to see how it's acting around the 50% level, 75% level, mainly the 50% level. And then if we get that break in market structure at the right time of day, then I know that we can likely go long on pound, with the expectation that we can look for expansion, and we got a clear fair value gap here. And again, these relative equal highs appear as a draw for price. So yeah, tomorrow's all a bit of a waiting game, but I think we should see a setup form after the London for sure, with an idea of whether to expect continuation or we're going to get that Thursday reversal we're expecting. So the Thursday reversal is based off the weekly candle, as in I don't want to see a Thursday reversal just because it's Thursday. I want to see a Thursday reversal because of how it's delivered this week. So I'm looking at the Sunday opening price for the week. I'm recognizing that we're at this very low point. I'm recognizing that we've already traded to the discount PDRA from the higher time frame, which I called at the beginning of the week, and now I'm expecting some kind of reversal, and it happens to be Thursday. So there's a few things that are lining up to give me this bias, but yeah, we're just waiting on some level of confirmation, and they're not going to make it easy, as in, we'll probably see a little bit of rallying first, and then it will break if we're going to see it. But I'll probably clear these charts up tomorrow, and then we can really take a closer look. But other than that, some beautiful deliveries to the upside nonetheless. So yeah, that's going to be everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that all made sense. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, smash subscribe, join the mailing list, join me over on Discord. All the links are in the description, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. But yeah, hope that was insightful, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.